2016 Honda CRV front wheel drive, and today we're going to be knocking out those rear sway bar links. Let's get to it. All right, first thing we're going to do obviously is go ahead and remove this tire. It's held on with 5 19mm lug nuts. Let's go ahead and remove our sway bar link. It is a 14mm. Hopefully we'll get lucky and these won't free spin. Nope, they're free spinning. If yours try to spin on you, go ahead and get yourself a hefty pair of pliers. These are some channel locks I use for almost everything. Go. All right, got it broken loose. Grab our pliers. Squeeze these in here somehow. Go. And there's your sway bar link. Go ahead and install the new one and you're golden. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you all next time.